Good morning, children. Today I am going to revise alphabets A to K. Look at the board, children. Now keep your pencil on the second blue line. Go up, come down, close with a sleeping line. This is capture letter A. Write small letter A. Start from the first blue line. Draw one open curve, small open curve. Close with a small standing line. This is small letter A. Capture letter B. Draw one big standing line. Draw two closed curves. 1, 2. Two closed curves. Capture letter B. Now small letter B. Draw standing line. Keep your pencil on the first blue line. Go to your right. Draw one closed curve. Only one closed curve for small letter B. Two closed curve for capture letter B. And how you should write C, children? Capital letter C is a big, broad, open curve is capital letter C. Small letter C is small open curve. Capture letter D. Draw one standing line and draw one closed curve. Closed curve should come to your right. Draw one big closed curve. Touch the standing line. Capital letter D. Small letter D. Draw one standing line and draw one closed curve and touch the standing line. This is small letter D. Capture letter E. Draw one standing line. Draw three sleeping line for E. Look, children. First and last sleeping line should be big. Middle should be small. Draw small letter. How to write small letter E? Draw one small open curve. Keep your pencil at the starting point. Draw a slanting line. Touch the curve. Small letter E. Capture letter F. Draw one standing line. Draw two sleeping line. Two sleeping line. This sleeping line should be big and this should be small. Small letter F. Draw one standing line. Now keep your pencil on the standing line. Move on the red line. On the red line. Come down and draw one sleeping line. This is small letter F. Capital letter G. Draw a open curve. Go up. Draw one small sleeping line. Draw one standing line. Capital letter G. Small letter G. Draw one open curve. Small open curve. Draw a big standing line till bottom red line. Move on the bottom red line. Go up. This is small letter G. Capital letter H. Draw two standing line for capital letter H. Join with a sleeping line in the middle of this standing line. Draw sleeping line on the first blue line. Capital letter H. Small letter H. Draw standing line. Keep your pencil on the first blue line. Move on the blue line. Come down and touch the second blue line. Small letter H. Capital letter I. Draw a standing line. Close with the two sleeping lines. Capture letter I. Small letter I. Draw small standing line. Keep a dot on the top of this standing line. Small letter I. Capital letter J. Draw standing line. Move to your left. This is your left. On the blue line, go up. It looks like an umbrella, isn't it, children? Now close with a sleeping line. Capital letter J. Small letter J. Start on the first blue line. Draw a standing line till the bottom red line. Move on the bottom red line. Go up. Small j also looks like an umbrella. Keep a dot. Small letter j. Capital letter K. Draw a standing line. Keep your pencil little away from the standing line on the top red line. Now you should come and meet this dot. From this dot you should draw a slanting line till the first blue line and touch the standing line. Keep your pencil here. From there come out and touch the second blue line. Capital letter K, small letter K. Draw a standing line. Keep your pencil little away from the standing line on the first blue line. Draw a slanting line. Touch the standing line. And from there, come out and touch the second blue line. This is small letter K. Now children, look at the board. Capital letter A, small letter A for apple. Capital letter B, small letter B for ball. Capital letter C, small letter C for cat. Capital letter D, small letter D for dog. Capital letter E, small letter E for egg. You all eat egg, no? Yes, you all like egg. Very good children. Capital letter F, small letter F for fan. F for fan. Capital letter G, small letter G for goat. G for goat. Capital letter H, small letter H for horse. Capital letter I, small letter I for ice cream. Capital letter J, small letter J. Very good. J for joker. Capital letter K, small letter K for kite. Now all of you look at the board children. This is the sequence. A to K. Capital letter A to capital letter A, small letter A to capital letter K and small letter K. You should practice this sequence at home children. Thank you.